What's up, my first class Falcons? This is Miss Pearl. We are going to go over topic 8. I know it says assessment, but we're virtual learning, so it's more like a review of topic 8. So we have a quadrilateral, which means it has 4 sides, has one pair of parallel sides with lengths 1 3/4 inches and 1 1/4 inches, and 2 angles that each measure 36 degrees. So listen, don't get yourselves worked up about these fractions. Not a big deal. What we want to focus on is that it has exactly one pair of parallel sides. So again, it has one pair of sides that will never intersect. So I don't think my lines are very straight. Okay, so which one of these has exactly one pair of sides that will never intersect? Okay, and then you're just going to decide which one, the name of whichever shape you chose. And so we have a square pyramid is sliced horizontally, parallel to its base, which the following could represent a cross section of the pyramid. So a square pyramid means that the bottom is a square, and now we're going to slice it horizontally. So if we were to slice it like this, what shape could it be? Again, the bottom is a square. Mario builds a triangular table to fit in the corner of his rectangular bedroom. Is it possible to construct more than one table with angles that measure 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees? So I drew a triangle. I know it's not perfect, but it's about 45, 90, 45. The question is, if I were to extend it out, would I still have the same angles? And I know these triangles aren't perfect. I did the best I could, but think about it. Are the angles still the same? All right, so what do you think? The angles that I circled, do they still seem the same? Are they all 45 degrees? And of course, the 90-degree angle stayed the same. Wink, wink. A blueprint of a pool has a scale of 2 inches equals 7 feet. The scale drawing is shown below. What are the actual dimensions of the pool? Enter your answers in the boxes. All right, so we are comparing inches and feet, and I'm going to write our original ratio. Again, there's a few ways to write your ratio. There is only one right answer. This is how I like to think about it. And then I'm going to say, okay, my length is 10 inches. So 10 goes on top because it goes with the inches. All right, and then we're going to cross multiply and divide. And then that's how we're going to get our length. Okay, so our length goes right in here. Now we're going to do the same thing to find our width. So they give us 20 inches, and now they want to know how many feet that actually is. Same thing, cross multiply and divide. We're going to get our width, and then you'll plug it in right in here. All right, last part, how much would it cost to buy a cover for the pool that costs 30 cents per square foot? Enter your answer in the box. So again, we're going to find the area first. So our area equals length times width. Then once you find that, you're going to multiply it by the cost, which is 30 cents. Okay, and then that is your answer. All right, number 5, what is the value of x? So they are adjacent, which means they're right next to each other, and they form a straight line. So how many degrees is a straight line? 180. And those angles put together make 180. So what operation are you going to use? Addition. So we're going to add up those two angles, and you'll notice that I kind of color coded them. So our first step is to combine like terms, and then, so I'm not going to do the whole thing for you. You're going to combine your like terms, then you're going to subtract your constant. Okay, that means it's your regular number, and then you're going to divide by the number in front of x. All right, so stay tuned. I'm going to do part 2 of this, numbers 6 through 10.